What's up, everyone? Trent here at Precision Transmission, and we got a beautiful Corvette in the house today. I have been not lazy, but just really busy and haven't got to put out as many videos as I've wanted. But we got us a nice clutch job in today. As you can see, we got our torque tube and the transmission on a Corvette and rear end. It's all in the back. It's all together. So when you go to do a clutch job on these, you gotta pull it all the way apart. But we've got us a nice 700 horsepower McLeod clutch in this we're gonna be putting in. So gonna be a lot better for our customer. He's gonna be really excited. I got my brother finishing up a front wheel drive, all wheel drive Saturn with a Honda transmission. We normally don't work on foreign cars, but this was just like a kind of a swap and put back in. I'll get y'all a little bit better picture of what that looks like once we get it up in there. And let me tell you, it's a full frame removable, hold the radiator up. It's terrible, so y'all gotta stay tuned. I'll get y'all a little bit more view of what that looks like. So here we are back under our all-wheel drive vehicle, front wheel drive. You can see that's big and ugly. We're gonna wipe off the rest of the frame there, but it's a whole frame removable. Take the all-wheel drive unit out right there, take the exhaust out. I mean, it is crazy. These things aren't easy to take out. This thing's gonna need a car wash underneath. Probably have to take it to the car wash a couple times. Had so much oil leaking everywhere. We're gonna be able to wipe it off and do as much as we can, but being able to get it out of the frame, we really can't do that. So customer's gonna have to take it to a car wash. But that's a little bit of what it takes to get a front wheel drive out. I know I didn't show y'all, but I'm telling you, it is terrible. And that's one of the reasons why they don't fix them, because this job is probably $5,000-$6,000 probably. Easy, 5-6 grand, front wheel drive, all wheel drive. Here y'all go. Okay, so we've got our front wheel drive, all wheel drive Saturn done. And like I said, guys, I really wish I could have showed y'all what this is like to have a part, because I mean, you can't see the transmission at all. And the battery has to come out. I mean, your fuse box has laid over. Everything, the intake tube has to come off. I mean, everything has to come off of this thing to where you can get to the transmission. They have these things over here, or I say we, that you're able to hold up the motor and radiator, everything with that. So pretty awesome. If you didn't have that, it'd be terrible. We've got a Ford in the house with a 4R100. Just got that one taken out as well. So we'll be showing you a video of that one soon. But yeah, that's some carnage. Not carnage, but that's a mess right there, guys. I'm telling you. And that's the reason why a lot of people don't fix these things. But this is a special car, and a special car to the gentleman. And you know, that couple $1,000 is definitely cheaper than going buying a $30,000-$40,000 vehicle that you know nothing about. The customer's had this for a long time. He knows everything about the vehicle, so he's willing to take the time and fix the transmission and give us the chance to help him out. So y'all go subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't miss anything. We got a Corvette here. Let's check out the clutch. I got it up. I'm waiting for some hydraulics. They're looking good. McLeod. Nice. I'll be getting that in. So y'all gotta stay tuned. We are getting our Corvette back together. We got our cradle all in. Everything's looking really nice. Getting our exhaust back together. Clutch is all in. Can't really see nothing. Kind of sucks. Something so pretty gets covered up. But It's a process of getting a Corvette clutch done. What a job. No joke. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Get this thing together. We'll let y'all hear it. Because it's actually ProCharged. Y'all never knew that. First initial startup of our ProCharged Vet. We just got our 700 horsepower clutch in. Let's see what she sounds like. Not too bad so far. Go ahead and close that real quick. Sounds really healthy. What a day. Beautiful car. Go subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys. Don't miss out. Hit that notification bell. Knows how to lay her down in the truck. I'm gonna ProCharged Corvette. It didn't do that. Oh, Blue did those. She likes to get nasty. I'm in a nice old ProCharged Corvette. Doing really good. Clutch is working really nice.